Hi everyone, welcome back to Data Science Monster. Today we are going to walk through the data science project, or I can call it like a machine learning project cycle. So let's pull out a problem statement and try to understand how does it flow in an industry. So the first step is business understanding, which is also called as understanding the problem statement. Every data science project starts with a problem statement. Let's take a problem like, can we predict the stock price of a company for the next month? So we need to understand the goal here. Are we predicting the exact price or just the trend like up or down? So the next step comes like analytic approach. Whether we have to implement supervised or unsupervised learning, regression or classification, are we going to use time series based models? So all that fall under this analytic approach. The third step is data requirements and data collection. Yes, the problem statement is clear. We are trying to predict the stock price of a company for the next month. So we need data, right? So for stock prices, we can get historical data from sources like Yahoo Finance, Google Finance, or any other financial databases. So we can get the data on stock prices, trading volumes, or market indices. We can get it from relevant factors like news headlines, etc. So once the data is being collected, the next step comes data understanding. So what is data understanding? If you remember, already I have done videos like data visualization, right? Using Plotly, Matplotlib, and Seaborn. So data understanding plays a major role when we implement any data science project, because we need to understand about the type of data, the range of values for the data. So how we can understand the data by performing the visualization. So the libraries that are used here are Matplotlib, Seaborn, as well as Plotly. So the next crucial step comes like data preparation. Real world data is messy. I hope all of you know that. So we need to handle missing values, duplicates, data inconsistencies, and there can be categorical data. How to handle all that, right? So for stock prices, generally we go ahead with the missing values filling using methods like forward fill or interpolation, or some problem statements we try to replace the missing values with a mean or median. If it is categorical data, we try to replace it with a mode. There can be outliers. Are we going to remove the outliers, or the outliers have to be retained as such? If you have any doubts about outliers, I would be giving that link also in the description. You can have a look at it. So once we do all this, right, we will be getting to know about patterns, trends, outliers, all that. So from business understanding to data preparation, now this will take a lot of time actually. So generally ML engineers used to tell us that 80% of the time is being involved or getting used for this task, right? So the next step comes like modeling, model building. So now we need to build our model. So we can use machine learning algorithms like linear regression, logistic regression, decision tree, or we can also use advanced models like LSTM for time series data, all that. So how the modeling generally works, we have the data, we split the data into two different parts. One is training data, another one is test data. We implement the model, we build the model using trained data, and then we will be testing it on the test data. So once we build the model, we have to evaluate how good the model is, right? So we would be checking the score of trained data as well as test data. So we want both train and test score to be close enough. The difference should not be more than 5%. That has been the expectation. So we generally say that the model should be a generalized model. It should neither be underfitting nor be overfitting. So in case if we are using regression model, we may be going ahead with evaluation metrics like mean absolute error, mean squared error, root mean square error, etc. Just because it is stock price, it is going to be a regression based model only. If it is classification, might be like confusion metrics, true positive, true negative, accuracy, recall, precision, all that would be the metrics. But the example that I have pulled it is related to regression. So maybe we can go ahead with R square, root mean square error, root mean square error, or mean square error, etc. So now assume that I have done my model, but what is the challenge over here? Because I really do not know how well my model will predict the unseen data, right? So that is where it comes model deployment. Once we are satisfied with the model, we deploy it. We can deploy it using a web app or dashboard, or even we can integrate it with a trading platform. Each org has its own platform for deployment. In case if you are practicing at home or practicing on your own, you can try to use it through Flask or Streamlit or Gradio, right? Nowadays there are very many tools which are coming into the industry. You can use any one of it. So you have deployed it. What is the last step? Feedback. Feedback is basically we have to monitor and maintenance. So we need to keep an eye on the model's performance and retrain it with new data to ensure it stays accurate over time. So I hope the steps are clear to everyone. It starts from business and understanding. That's basically understanding the problem statement, then data requirement and data collection, data understanding, data preparation, modeling and evaluation, deployment, and feedback. So that's the complete data science project cycle or machine learning project cycle. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Data Science Monster for more exciting tutorials. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next video. Thank you.